Hello guys, today in this video we will talk CoreVital advanced wrinkle patches. You should buy this product or not. They are really good, or it's just another waste of money product. Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this brand, basically the brand name is NURIVE. Okay, so this is the brand name, and if we talk about the product, this is the product. Okay, so if we talk about like the brand, basically the brand is 100% legit, and they are available on internet from last 9 years, and this is the very popular product like CoreVital neck wrinkle patch. Okay, so if we talk about like you should buy this patch or not, yes, definitely you can make a purchase, but if you have only like small lines or smile lines or very not very deep wrinkles, so these kind of patches were really helpful. If you have very deep wrinkle lines, and if your wrinkle lines is very big, so these kind of patches will give you results but take lots of time. Okay, so this is the first thing. And if we talk about like the brand, definitely brand is really good, and you can also see like the brand is providing you this patch. In this patch you will see retinol, which help relieving wrinkles, and adenosine help to reduce appearance of fine lines, yes, and hydronite, it hydrate your skin, and hydrolyzed collagen help reduce look for wrinkles. So definitely the wrinkle patch is really good, you can make a purchase, and product is also available on amazon.com. This is the best part, because when you purchase product on official websites, there are some problems, but the product is available on amazon.com. It means the brand is 100% good, and they are providing their product very easily. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment, and if you have any experience, you can also make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.